Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Take a what make a sentence website once again. At this time, suddenly I got my elder brother. His name is MD Harisuddin. And today we came here for ration. And already my elder brother he took his ration. Now I will take my ration. After that we will go our barrack. And it's a very busy time for us. That's why we want to make longer these videos. And when I will get free time, that time I will make videos with my brother. And please write down something. How is looking our what can I say? Our ration and everyone, and how is looking this area. And if Almighty wants, see you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
ভিডিওটি দেখার জন্য আপনাদের সবাইকে অসংখ্য অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ।
Okay, my brother said, please everyone watch our videos and write down something. How is looking this area. And if Almighty want, I will make video another day with my brother. I have to finish here. All the best. And please forgive me. I have done lot of mistake.